Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and today I'm showing you another little mini album. I used the Scrap Diva Designs Baby Girl mini album. She's super cute. And I used my cinch, so let's get this out of the way. And I was able to use split rings and use up some of my 2 rings instead of, these were left over from cuts from other albums I made. Now, I didn't decorate it. I just made it plain. But look how cute it is. I'm going to go, we'll go through it real quick. It's just super simple. This would be great to do an embellishment album. Maybe you make a bunch of embellishments that are larger and you can store them on, make like a little envelope, a small envelope, and put these in the envelope and just make it an embellishment book. I think that would be super cute. I just wanted to keep it plain, and I wanted to make it look like an old-fashioned Easter dress. And I didn't have a lot of scrap Easter paper left, so I used what I had. So anyway, I want to go ahead and show you that I used the regular cinch to make this. The slider is at 1 inch. You're going to line up at the bottom at 29 centimeters at the bottom, or as close as you can. What you're going to do is go ahead and put it all the way in the cinch. And if you have the slider on 1 inch, your bottom edge right here should line up with the 29 centimeters. You're going to pull 1, 4 through 6, 9 through 12. You're going to push in 2 and 3, and 7 and 8, and that's how you're going to get these punches. I kind of messed up on this one, so you really want to make sure your dress is pushed in all the way to the back, and because you won't get an accurate punch if you don't do that. So I thought it was super cute. It can be done on the cinch, and I was very pleased with that. You could also do your rings if you want instead. You don't have to do it this way. You can do your binder rings, or you can do some type of other binding that, using a hole punch of some sort to do this. But super cute. And I think this would make the cutest embellishment book. And I may end up doing that. I just don't have a lot of paper, larger paper to make like envelopes or anything like this. So another thing you can do, let me show you real quick, is to really dress it up, is take some of your ribbon and do pom-pom trim. Look how cute that would be to put a pom-pom trim right there. Oh my goodness, yes. Or even a rickrack trim. Something like that would be super cute. I have all of these Michaels ribbons. These are the trim bundles. I love buying these because they just coordinate so well. Look at this. That is pretty. But, just dress it up. If you have this die, you can really dress it up and doing that pom-pom trim and just, I love it. It's super cute. I've never had a die like that. And I thought, I have to make it. This is one of her older dies. So, but anyway, I will leave the link for this if you decide to buy one. I am an affiliate with Scrap Diva Designs, so if you do purchase through that link, I possibly will get a commission. I did use let me see, I'm trying to tell you what paper I used. Is it the Welcome Easter? Yeah, I did use the Welcome Easter paper, and from Echo Park. Anyway, I just wanted to share this cute little project, And if you have this die, are you going to make it and try to do it on this cinch? This is my little, you know me, I always punch one of these and I'd like to leave them in the album. So if I make it again, I know what to do. Also, my videos help me with that. Oh, another thing you can do, I just thought about this, with this die. Let's see if I can pull that out real quick. So when you go to cut out the dress, what you can do is, this is the dress layer, this part right here, this color part, not the base, okay? But you can cut just this portion out, put a piece of paper right under this portion, and so then you would have a different color top to the dress. Or you can do it on the bottom as well. But, you know, just to keep in mind, that way you can have two different types. So let's say you only had a small amount of paper, you can do a paper piecing with that in just, you know, this top portion and then the bottom portion in another piece of paper. Anyway, just giving some ideas with this. I didn't do the bows. There's some cute little bows. I didn't do that. I just wanted to keep it pretty simple. Actually, those bows would be a great thing to add to this for if you were to do a ephemera, you know, album where you're giving away ephemera. I think that would be cute. I may go back and try to figure out if I can do some envelopes to do an ephemera swap. This would be so cute for an ephemera swap. Oh my goodness. Anyway, guys, if you have this die, try it out. I will talk to you later, and you have a great weekend. Oh, I should be here for Saturday. Probably Scrapbuster, maybe this weekend, maybe not. It just depends on if I get around to it. But anyway, you guys have a great weekend. Bye.